friends, it's Mia with the Couture Beauty and Sewing Academy, and today we're making a super cool, super fun little project, really easy. We are going to make these cute little sandwich bags. These are little bags that will hold our sandwiches for school, for work, whatever. They can also be used as snack bags because we can make these different sizes. We can make them super small to hold like maybe gummy bears, and we don't want to have too many gummy bears, so we kind of want to control the portion. We can make a super small one and just put a couple in there. Or chocolate chips, we can hold fruit, apple slices, chips, pretzels, whatever we want. But these are really, really easy to make and a lot of fun too. And so here's our large bag. And in a different video, I'm going to show you how you can embellish them. Cute little embellishments. This is embroidery. Look at my little peanut butter and jelly guys there. They're so cute. Love them. So this is our big bag, our large bag. You can make it in a medium size as well. Here's medium size. And then you can also make it in a super small size. This is the size that will hold our gummy bears or our candy, things that we don't want to have too much of. Okay, so we're making these little fun bags today, super easy. Okay, grab your machine and let's get started. I'm going to tell you what you need. Let's go. Okay, so here are the basic tools and notions that we're going to need to make our fun little sandwich bags, snack bags. We need a ruler to cut our fabric, so just your basic ruler. Scissors, of course, to cut our fabric out. Pins to hold everything together. Whatever type of thread you want to use, okay, grab your thread. And then any scrap fabric that you need. You could use, this project is really good for scrap fabric. You could use your scrap fabric. You could use a fat quarter like I have here. Fat quarters make a really good scrap or piece of fabric to use for this project. And again, any kind of scrap fabric that you have. This is just a basic cotton, and so any fabric really would make whatever you want to use would make a good little sandwich bag. And then you also want the inside of a cereal box, the lining of the cereal box. So the bag that your cereal comes in, when the cereal is empty, keep the bag. You're just going to cut it open, take a wet paper towel, wipe it off, get all the cereal crumbs and goodies off, and then you're going to use that bag to line the inside of the sandwich bag. This makes for quick and easy cleanup. If your jelly from peanut butter and jelly kind of spills into your bag or leaks out of your sandwich, the mayo leaks out of your turkey sandwich, or whatever the case may be, with this bag as a lining, the cleanup is quick and easy. So you need a cereal bag, okay, to line your snack bag. Now for sizes, if you want to make a super small bag like this, which is going to be good for holding like, you know, just a small amount of nuts or even chocolate chips, gummy bears, just a little bit of candy, something small, you're going to cut your fabric 5.5 inches wide and 7 inches tall. Okay, 5.5 inches wide, 7 inches tall. If you want a medium sized bag like this one, then you're going to cut your fabric 7 inches wide and 13 inches tall. 7 inches wide and 13 inches tall. If you want to make a large bag, you're going to cut your fabric 8 inches wide and 17 inches tall. So let's look at that again really quickly. Our small bag, 5.5 by 7. Medium bag, 7 by 13. The large bag, 8 by 17. And in another video, I'll show you how to embellish your bag or embroider your bag and just make it really fun. Okay? And if you want it to go larger than this, you can absolutely measure your bag however you want to measure it. If you want to go smaller, you can make whatever measurement you want to make for your bag. Okay, it's fully customizable. But we will look at how to kind of embellish our bag with embroidery. Our little peanut butter and jelly guy right there, so cute, just love them. Add a little button, box the corners of the bottom if you want. We'll look at actually embellishing the bag in another video. Okay, so now let's make ourselves a bag real quick. All right, we're going to cut our fabric. Choose the size bag that you want to make and then cut your fabric accordingly. You're going to also cut your cereal bag lining the same size. So I'm going to make a medium bag. My fabric here is 7 inches wide. So is my lining, my little cereal bag lining, 7 inches wide, 13 inches tall. Okay, 7 inches wide and 13 inches tall. The first thing we're going to do is put the cereal bag on the wrong side of our fabric and pin. So we're just going to lay the cereal bag right on top of our fabric, and we're just going to pin all the way around so that we can sew the bag to the fabric. Just line it up the best you can. And if it's a little bit over, don't even worry about it. We've got our cereal bag lining pinned to the wrong side of our fabric. We're going to take this to the machine and sew all the way around the edges, about maybe 1/4 of an inch or so, just right around the edge, just attaching the bag, the lining bag, to our main fabric. Okay, get your bag right underneath the machine, underneath the needle there, and we're just going to sew all the way around, back stitching at the beginning and the end. Here's what our bag looks like, okay? We've got our cereal bag lining on our fabric, okay? It's already attached. What we need to do is fold the short ends, top and bottom. We're gonna fold those down, or towards the wrong side, about 1/4 of an inch like this. And then we're gonna fold it another 1/4 of an inch, about like that. And then we are going to stitch right here along this side. Okay, so you might want to go ahead and just pop some pins in there to keep it in place. Take it to the machine, and we're going to sew right along those edges. We're going to make the short sides of the top and the bottom look just like this, and we're going to sew right here along this edge. We're going to stitch close to the edge, back stitching at the beginning and the very end. So this is what our bag looks like after we have sewn the top and the bottom, okay? Now, if you're making a short bag, you're going to turn the top down 1 inch. Medium and large bags, you're turning the top down 2 inches. So you're going to flip the bag with the right side facing up, and then take the top, fold the top down about 2 inches. So we'll measure, take our ruler here and just measure. Yeah, that's about 2 inches. Okay, so we've got 2 inches from our top, fold it down, top edge, fold it down. All you're going to do now is bring the bottom up to the top. So just take the bottom of the bag and bring it all the way up to the top like this. So here's the top, We're going to put pins in the side just to hold it, and we're going to sew the side seams up. Just like this. And all we're going to do is sew right down the side seams about 1/4 of an inch to close that side up. Let's sew up the side seams, back stitching as always at the very beginning and the very end. So our bag is sewn, and right now all that's left to do is to turn it right side out. However, if you have pinking shears, if you own pinking shears, then you can cut the excess seam allowance and pink that seam allowance if you choose to do so. Just like this. Just cut that seam allowance, pink that edge, and it looks like this. Or you can just leave it, and then you're going to turn the bag right side out. Get your fingers in the corners. Push everything out. It looks like this. And then you fill your snacks right in here and close it with the top. Pushing out the corners of the top. And there you have it. Quick and easy little snack bag, okay? You can also add embellishments to your bag, which I will show you in another video. If you want to put maybe a little Velcro tab here, or a button, or some trim, or anything you want to add to your bag, I'll show you in another video how to do that. But the basic snack sandwich bag looks like this here. You want to try to get those corners out as sharp as possible. But that's it, quick and easy. And cleanup is a breeze. So if something wastes on the inside of your bag, I don't know, anything, whatever, leaks on the inside of your bag, you're just going to turn it wrong side out. You can rinse it under the sink, take a paper towel, wipe it off, and you're done. It's ready to go again for the next day, work day, school day, or whatever. This also makes a really fun party favor for little birthday parties. You can put little snacks in here and everyone can take their little snack back home and reuse it. Just all kinds of fun little things that you can do with this. Be creative. Be creative. That's it. Just that easy. Quick and easy DIY sandwich snack bag.